Got him.
Hello and welcome. So it's a really rainy day today. Hurricane Laura is passing through, and what I love most on rainy days is coffee, but second to that is bread. So I've never made bread before, but today I'm going to try to make some baguettes. I'm going to try to follow along with this recipe. Again, I have literally no idea what I'm doing. That's kind of the fun of it. So the ingredients are water, yeast, flour, and salt. Oh, and I also grabbed measuring utensils, and that's all. Okay, so me and I'm already seeing is my recipe is in ounces. Oh, I have ounces on the back. Okay, we have what I think is roughly 1.75 ounces. Measure the warm water in a small bowl and sprinkle the yeast on top. Small bowl. 1.5 teaspoons of dry yeast. A little bit of warm water. 1.5. I'm gonna ignore the fact that on the back it says no need to hydrate in water. It smells like vitamins. Okay, and then set aside. Goodbye. Okay, I just realized this is sugar. We need bread flour, not sugar. Common misconception. Here we go. Bread flour. Let me in. We need 16 ounces, which is 2 cups of flour. Don't judge me, please. Okay, 1 cup. 2 cups. I'm gonna throw a little more in there too. Didn't quite have 2 full cups. And what they say, baking is all about precision. Okay, next, stir in the salt. I can do that, 2 teaspoons. Oh, teaspoons, not tablespoons. 1 and 2. So far this is easy. I do this all day. And then it says to mix it all up. So here is my flour salt mixture. And it said the yeast was gonna get foamy, and it's looking pretty foamy. It says to make a well in the middle of flour and then stir in the dissolved yeast. Okay, goodbye yeast. Feels kind of like I did something wrong already. We're not gonna worry about it too much. Stir it in. Goodbye bowl. 10 ounces of water. This is roughly 10 ounces, and it says add the cool water a little at a time while stirring just until a stiff, shaggy dough has formed. I don't know what shaggy dough is. We're gonna watch a video to find out what shaggy dough is. Basically Play-Doh. Add water till you have Play-Doh. I have to stir while I'm doing this. I'm using my right stirring hand. She used like a little spatula thing. Is that better to use, you think? My spoon. Too late to pretend like I know what I'm doing with this. Okay, this dough, I'll show you in a second. It's looking really strange. What? Do you see that weird consistency? I guess we'll just keep going though. I mean, maybe they're calling it a shaggy dough because it looks like this. Ew, I hate the way it feels. feels, it says we might not need to use all the water. I feel like I don't need any more water, but I also still have kind of a lot left. I'm gonna go with my instincts. I'm not gonna add any more water. Remember, my instincts are those of someone who's never made bread before. I'm really sorry if you're watching this and you know how to make bread. Eee! What I'm really envisioning when I'm done with this is being able to like sword fight with the baguettes. Okay, and the next step is cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm sorry, let it rest for 30 minutes. I hate using stuff like plastic wrap. It feels so wasteful. Oh, it's not in the box. I can't tear it. Okay, the bowl is covered, and now we're gonna go take a 30-minute rest. Good night, bread. Okay, so I gave our little baby dough 30 minutes to rest. Oh, it even kind of smells like Play-Doh. So far, I'm not appetized, but let's keep going. It looks very wet, which I'm surprised by, because I didn't put very much of the water in. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured work surface and gently press it into a rectangle, and fold into thirds. I can do that. Cool. I'm just gonna. I love doing projects where I get to get dirty. Okay. It's like when you're at, what is it, where they do that Dairy Queen? Oh, it feels so weird. Ew. Okay, it really feels like Play-Doh. Gently press into a rectangle and fold into thirds. Okay, and then it says turn 90 degrees and repeat. Aw, baby! Place the dough in a large oiled bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Flour all over my computer. This is the only bowl I have, so I'm gonna go clean it and then oil her up. My bowl has been cleaned. To oil it, I'm gonna use this like olive oil spray we got. It's just olive oil and like it's just olive oil. So I feel like that'll be fine. Yum. Come here, Pee-Pee. Goodbye. Okay, so I went ahead and turned on my oven for just like 2 seconds and then I turned it off. So it's kind of just a little bit warmer than the room. I'm gonna cover this up and that's gonna be my warm place to put my dough. It says, cover with plastic wrap. I'm gonna use the same plastic wrap. Love the environment. Allow it to rise in a warm place until it is doubled. And it says 1 to 2 hours. Bye, my dough. We'll come check on him in 1 or 2 hours. Okay. Okay, so I waited like, oh, there's an airplane, I'm sorry. I waited about like an hour and 20 minutes, so we're gonna pull her out and look at her now. Oh my God. Wait, I'll show you guys a close-up. Look at her. She's gotten very like full of air. She looks very light and fluffy and definitely like at least doubled, I think. Ew. I feel like so far we're doing this right. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions and shape each one into a long loaf. Let's get a little more flour on her. God, it feels like cotton candy, but sticky, like a cloud. It is so, like you can feel all the air in it. Boing, 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 boing. Boing. Okay, 4 equal parts. Should I have put oil or something on this? This does not feel right. Okay, 1 baby, 2 babies. You know what this feels like? It feels like marshmallows or like mochi. 3 babies and 4. And I should stop doing that. Shape each one into a long loaf with pointed ends. I want to try to make them as like even as possible. 1 baguette kind of. 2 baguette-ish things. Oh, this has a lot of bubbles. I want to make like a pretzel, you know, like Auntie Anne's and they like pretzels. See, this one's a lot longer. Maybe if I just... I need a second opinion.
I feel like right here on this one is the only part that's like really funky.
Can you get an aerial shot of this from above?
Sure.
Yeah, so I feel like the ends of all of them look really weird. Like this one's like wee, wee, wee. What do you think?
I'm really excited.
Think they look good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's all I need. Thank you. Place the loaves on a floured towel. On a floured towel. Okay, I don't really have a towel like big enough for all of them, so I'm gonna use a few towels, I guess. Maybe we use them instead of paper towels. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like 2 little towel boys, and I have to flour them. It feels really weird to be putting flour on a towel, but hey, I can follow directions. Oh god, I'm making a huge mess. I feel like too much is better than not enough. Maybe if I just... I feel like my towels are too like fibrous. I feel like stuff is gonna stick to them. As well get some more flour. Why am I even putting this on a towel? And oil. Already messed up. And allow to rise until doubled in bulk. Should I put them somewhere warm? Yeah, I'm gonna put them in the oven. Way back. So these have grown, I think they look really good. So I've already started preheating my oven to 450. We're also gonna throw in this little pan. I put a bunch of water in it. What that supposedly will do is make the outside of it crunchy, like a baguette. Let's free our baguettes now. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot I put oil on that. Ew! Wow, these look really good. Don't they look good? Yeah, touch it. Isn't that crazy? Like this consistency is wild. Okay, thank you. Professional chef. Wipe the flour off. It says well oiled, so. Oh no, it says lightly greased. Oh well, this is very greased. How do you transfer these though? Oh, this is scary. Sprinkle with flour and make 4 elongated slashes down each one with a lame, a razor, or a knife. So we made the notches and our beautiful baguettes. We're gonna wait for the oven to preheat and then bake these for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, we're gonna throw these guys in and let them, and we're gonna let them bake. And then come back and see if we have baguettes. Say goodbye. There they are. Good night. I think that our baguettes are done. We don't need this anymore. Actually, we do need it. I don't know if we're allowed to eat them right away or if we need to wait. Okay, I think they're done. Go Canes! Oh my god. So they said that it should sound hollow. Oh, did I burn them? No, they're perfect. Don't worry. That sounds hollow.
Video?
Yeah.
You like bread?
Bat, what do you think? I think they look pretty good. Ken, what do you think?
I'm really excited to eat
They look good?
it. Yes.
Hi. You are so cute.
So good.
Ken, you know what I said that my #1 criteria was for making these?
What?
You can sword fight with them.
I mean, yeah, look at all the flour that comes off. No, too much flour.
These are sword fightable. Oh Ken hates this. I don't know how, like, the middle is fine, the edges all got burned. But just don't look at it.
Look at her.
Oh. That is so good. Okay.
I really want to eat it.
Listen to that crunch. But you need butter on it.
Oh, it's really good though.
Lots of butter.
That was so good. So good.
Oh my god.
Butterbean.
I made this because I thought it would be impossible. It is so good.
You like come across any major challenges?
No. I think the biggest challenge was just not knowing what anything meant. Wow. It tastes really salty, but like, it's good. Wow. The crunch. I feel like this is to make bread for 2 people. I thought it was gonna go really wrong, but it went really right. Okay, so Ken, what would you rate it?
More than 10 out of 10. Please do it again.
Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment if I did something atrocious or if you think they look really good or if there's anything else you want me to try to bake. I feel like for my first time baking bread, like this is pretty good. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this fun bread content, subscribe for more. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bread. This looks so good. Wow. Okay, bye. Can say bye.
Bye.
Sir?